Kwaba, meeting Ede Ajua searching. Mesrew, now was subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. NPP communicators at the reply, ama Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama afa a year ne Nkokonye ena Nkokobu policy or the abaso by president or the ebebwa Ghana minor. Neno ena NPP communicators see Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama. Osha na say what campaign to na name na wo ye no wa bra just sleep da enye by force say we ye campaign and I say by force say wo kan sem kire Ghana for no ye to abade ma wo na kasa ye ni mu dada de wutimi ye na de wubetimi ya ye nti ba na wo ba ne faso bi ene so na as a campaign to na wo ko no wo kan sem do abro so wo hwe no wa bra da because sometimes when you kuma e ma na say bi wo ka ensem hu na adofo ne enti a NPP communicators say e reply am Mampenda da John Dramani Mahama inane so Mampenda da say obeye president a obebo Nkokobu no wa ma nye Nkoko ne ya anye no wo Ghana hanom an onye confirm ko mututu ko back to Burkina nani Nkoko edimini hawa obesia ye na Nkoko nye ne betibi a survive youth no na enseme Mampenda da John Dramani Mahama ede to dwe na NPP communicators ni bi amano plan yeti ensema NPP communicators ede etudwa
with this kind of pain and the makers of media. I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. Campaign we are now bra da because sometimes we bra we kasa ni bu ho no mu a 7 en fa kwa that we fese ni da wo kasa no a me bi gidi se no a
and some way and NPP communicator they have to just one point that John Dramani Mahama o campaign na wo ye no wa brada then some wo kan bebre na emfa kwa MCC ya say e bro so nipa wo kasa na udi akohwe e de FM ti pe bi tena se wa bra and some say na NPP communicators no o de reply o man pay that John Dramani Mahama
ko akasem bi say ampa ye wei we di position bia bi Nanso yembisa se policy bang and or the aba affect Ghana, the average Ghanaian. And then what you have to say position bia no wedi bi. No the who experience and also the ababium. Abba experience the mudia hen. Ejuman keten in Kukobo government. Oboya government. Is that what we are going to be reduced to? Sir, and Kukobu, Yababu Bon Kukobu Amamo.
Yamamon Koko.
Hey!
Almost 2 hours tonkus.
Now,
almost 2 years on Kokon. What time do you
now, become Minister of Agric, Yabubon Kukobu, kitten. No matter lie. Now, what now they see a bobo yam. Now they are called Wakura, Nawako, Konyan Kuko. Said that is a government initiative. That is a government policy. That's what the individuals say bet me. No wonder. Say in the past, no, was basically mortuaries. Am I? Etino, and no now koye no. Nanka by this time, Tnase. Because Ghana for and na ye near be. And untino sa o pay you 2 million. And was a oma ye hunu, a dear old person de boye. Anyano and ne ye nim thematic areas are ye ra. The president the buy ya and then abwa Ghana for. Then ti Ghana for be a juman keten and Kukobu oboya na ya kase ye to abama NDC. Adenti. Why should we do this to ourselves? Adenti that was say inflicting ourselves with this kind of pain. And the makers of media, I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. Campaign, we are now brada. Because sometimes ubra ukasa ni bu ho no mu a 7 en fa kwam na wo hwese ne da wo kasa no a me gidi se no wa bre
ana no abra na
ataya
mampani e bia oni wi afi ataya
mansa no bijame
dey
o se ko campaign na ya na ensuko mum tukuta otoa se nsupa wo na wo kasa woni da ho na sataya ne ba ko bi ni ko fremu a wo kasa ni sisi so Inti tuano na kira ukasa.
Tuano ho.
Tuano.
Bede minim se do kwa tuano no nkwa toa.
Oh, au na kwesi nchese au na beka so bi. Wo bia nso kuta toa. De wo mu na kira ukasa.
Because asem we die. Asem we die. Aso the kind of food agro.
This man is cheap.
So no on promise on committing home.
Ah, eso oba da, oba achim da, market ya sha ase ye, oso oba be si market no. Market ya sha ase eye no. Oso oba be si market no.
And the more you know about big dragon.
Ai, send the oba ni den you. Na Nkok buo.
And impreco.
And no, ebe under which initiative?
One household, one country.
Or say NDC.
Are going to run for under the bar say Pamono. So what record do you want to become an MP with? Me can't yes the question because I'm a critical thinker and I thank God for making me that. You are all MP so mo amuko say Nkok Pamo finance minister because Marie Buadu no abeka kire mo so wo munye ni papa no. Utie. Those who went say Pamo finance minister na so government business air cost no. Yes, government business was still going on. They have an election to run. Now, my question is, you have told the whole Ghanaians your finance minister have failed. Look how deadly that is. Look how deadly that is. Finances holds a fucking nation and any economy. I'm sorry, pardon my language. You understand? So when you go to your constituency, it is based on the record that you are going to run. Now I'm NDC for we know the propaganda and then radio stations say treat your radio for ka. Now okanete te dona uoma MP no welcome no because you see the new name will be aba edidija. Finance minister we there o there you kokra on sign NDC for nkwa contract no sign me patcho NDC for onye nipa NDC for onye Ghana for na nka omra na ombeti tiska entiatua contract and family MPP for number mine ka and some ball mine ka o yaso yase de kodintia mahama ne nkrofo nkwane se wo mo be ball mine ka yaso ya ba ya party for say ye didi agya yen aden ya first come party office. My God, you don't want development, you want to develop your belly, and that's a fact. You don't want to develop Ghana, you want to develop your little corner. Now, mad you to me ye cocoa crutch in the banner the whole bread. The reason why I sweat on social media. Me catch me ex girlfriend Marie Buadu say Marie, sa dia ya wo ye, e betu ani so. Hwe or tiny bitterness no, e rule Marie Buadu ama minim say ben I know say all jokes aside. Na ni Marie Buadu mutirimu say sa US for insurrection no anko be tweet you but that time no system no more a thing bibia so say NDC lose almost no mu ko gina mu say ye the all the ammunition say be expose NPP no ye the amamu ntire we de mu be wini. Marie, I told you it's not that I hated you. I wanted you to get yourself to a normal person that I think you can be if you want to, instead of using personal hatred, bitterness, vendetta